It's time now for our bite of the week. It comes from Javonnie Codlin. He hails from the Tivoli Gardens community, one which many associate only with crime. But he's shooting down stereotypes. Here's our bite of the week.
Doesn't matter your background, doesn't matter your situation. If you keep a tunnel vision and you have an idea of what you want to achieve in life, on the positive side, you can always get to it, because most times our ears are affected by the negative. Our friends normally end up in prison, or the past, they have to be running for their life because they're criminals. So I'm happy that I didn't go to that route.